Today's a big day today. I'm gonna go to the river. I heard the conditions were really good. I heard it was flowing and that there was water in it and maybe some fish. So I'm gonna leave it up to fate. I'm gonna go check it out, and if that's the case, I'm calling out of work this afternoon. I don't know if that will be the case, but I'm gonna go check just to make sure because I heard the conditions were just right. I'll let you know later on if I do call out. But in the meantime, send this to a friend that needs to take a mental health day and go on a exploration with you. Peace.